अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, आप सबका क्या हाल है। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, अपनी पढ़ाइयाँ भी खूब दिल लगा के कर रहे होंगे और अपनी सेहत का भी बहुत ख्याल रख रहे होंगे, है ना। वेरी गुड, कीप taking good care of yourselves, okay? Very good. So what we were discussing in our previous class, as you all know, we are doing chapter number 7 of our books. Yes, alhamdulillah. And we discussed some questions in our previous class, and today we are going to work on them. But before starting questions, I want to discuss how we are going to subtract times. All right, and this topic is actually given on page number 143. So let's get started and let's learn how we subtract different values of times. All right, so let's get started. Page number 143, subtracting times. Let's get started. Follow these steps. As you all know, in our previous classes we discussed that how we are going to add different values of times. अगर हमें different time की values दी हुई हों, जैसे 3 hour 40 minutes, 5 hour 45 minutes, and etc. So how we add these different values. So just like that, today we are learning how we subtract the different values of time. Alright, so here are the steps. Follow these steps. Subtract the hours. Subtract करना है hours को. जब हम ऐड करते हैं different values, what we do actually, we add hours together first of all, and then we add minutes, right? And just like that, we will subtract hours, and after subtracting hour, we'll note the value, and then we will move towards the minutes. फिर minutes की subtraction करेंगे. We will find the difference between two values which are given and which will be given in minutes, and then note that value too. All right, so here are some examples which are related to subtraction of times. Subtract the hours, subtract the minutes, and if the minutes are negative, add 60 to the minutes and subtract 1 from hours. Excuse me. So let's study about some examples which are related to subtraction of times. Example number 1. What is 4 hours 10 minutes subtracted from 2 hours 5 minutes? If we are subtracting 4 hours 10 minutes from 2 hours 5 minutes, what is going to be the answer? Well, the answer will become, आपने सबसे पहले क्या करना है, hours को hour से subtract करना है और उसके बाद minutes को minutes से subtract करना है. 4 marks subtracted from 2 by 2 will be the 2. Answer will be 2. And if we subtract minutes from minutes which are given here, 10 minutes and 5 minutes. 10 subtracted from 5 give us 5. तो जो values आपके पास आ गई उनसे ही हमारा आंसर बनेगा ना. What is going to be the answer? 2 hours 5 minutes. हमसे बेसिकली कहा जा रहा था कि डिफरेंस मालूम करें, सब्ट्रैक्ट करें 4 hour 10 minutes को 2 hour 5 minutes से, ताकि हमें डिफरेंस पता चल जाए. So when we subtracted these two values, फॉलो करते हुए स्टेप्स को जो हमें सिखाया गया था, हमारे पास आंसर आ गया. 2 hours 5 minutes या 2 past 5 भी कह सकते हैं हम. 2:05 गुजर गए, 5 minutes. I'm sure this must be very easy for you to solve, and I want you all to note this example and practice. All right, try to relate how this followed the steps. किस तरह उन्होंने steps का इस्तेमाल किया गया है यहाँ जो हमें सिखाए गए थे solve करने के लिए. Right, very good. Now what is going to be your homework? I want you all to solve example number 2 as well as some questions which are given on page number 144. I want you all to practice 2 parts at least, and then after solving these 2 parts, These are some solve examples as well which must be, जो आपके स्क्रीन पे आपको शो हो रही होंगी। तो प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, अपनी स्किल्स डेवलप कीजिए। जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, द मोर प्रैक्टिस यू विल डू, द बेटर you will become, inshallah. So take good care of yourselves and don't forget to submit your homeworks to your class teachers on time. All right, goodbye.